Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of MakingMusicFun.net. In this lesson, I'll teach you an arrangement of Mary Had a Little Lamb. If this is your first time at the piano, check the description for a link to the first Making Music Fun Academy lesson. If you already know a little bit, let's get started. This arrangement of Mary Had a Little Lamb keeps your hands in the same position for the whole song. Let's work on your hand position first. Next, we'll learn the song. Start by placing your right hand thumb on middle C and fingers 2, 3, 4, and 5 on D, E, F, and G. Next, place your left hand pinky on the C below middle C and fingers 4, 3, 2, and 1 on D, E, F, and G. If you pretend that your fingers are glued to the keys, you'll do great, and you'll be able to keep your eyes on the music while you're playing. Let's try the first two measures of Mary Had a Little Lamb. You'll put your right hand finger 3 on E and play E, D, C, D, E, E, E with right hand fingers 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. It sounds like this. E, D, C, D, E, E, half note. Try it, saying what I said as you play. It will help you to memorize the names of the notes and play the half note for the correct number of beats, which is 2 beats. If you didn't play this phrase perfectly, pause the lesson and try it again. It's always a good idea to practice a phrase until you can play it correctly and then play it 3 more times to make it stick. Let's give measures 3 and 4 a try. Beginning with the treble clef part, which is played by your right hand, you'll play D, 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 E, G, G with fingers 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. D, D, half note, E, G, half note. Give it a try, counting just like I did. Awesome! The bass clef part is easy. It's made up of 2 whole notes that get 4 beats each. You'll play F and G for 4 beats with left hand fingers 2 and 1, and C and G for 4 beats with fingers 5 and 1. Hold that whole note, hold that whole note. It's your turn. Fantastic! Now let's put both parts together. Both hands will start together at the beginning of measure 3 and play together again at the beginning of measure 4. I'll say together when I'm starting notes with both hands at the same time. Together, D, half note. Together, G, half note. Try it, saying what I did as you play. Kids are always more successful when they do. Great! Measures 5 and 6 are almost the same as measures 1 and 2. The only difference is that measure 6 has 1 more note. We'll provide a link in the description to the free Mary Had a Little Lamb piano sheet music so you can practice this piece after the lesson. Make it a point to compare these measures. Understanding how these measures are different will make playing this piece easier. I'll play measures 5 and 6, and then you can try it. E, D, C, D, E, 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 E. Go for it, saying the names of the notes as you play. Way to go! One more phrase and you will have learned the whole song. Let's try measures 7 and 8, beginning with the treble clef part. You'll play D, D, E, D, C with right hand fingers 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. D, D, E, D, hold that whole note. Try it, counting like I did. Great! The left hand part is the same as it was before. I'll play it to remind you what it sounded like, and then you can try it. Hold that whole note. Hold that whole note. It's your turn. Fantastic. Let's put both hands together. Together, D, E, D. Together, 2, 3, 4. Give it a try. If you don't play this phrase correctly the first time, try practicing everything slower. It always helps. Way to go! Here's what Mary Had a Little Lamb sounds like all the way through. When you have the music learned, try playing along with me. It will help you to learn to play with a steady beat.